So YouTube actually just paid me over $1,400 as a small YouTuber, all because I was able to send viral traffic to my channel and get monetized quickly. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. What's going on, guys? My name is Alex, and in today's video we're going to learn exactly how to quickly monetize your YouTube channel and start earning some money. Alright guys, so before we can quickly grow our YouTube channel and monetize as fast as possible, we first need to understand the basics and know the requirements. Whoa, before we continue on with the video, I want to tell you guys real quick that if you watch until the end of this video, I'm going to give you a fact that literally allowed me to have my average watch time increase, which ultimately skyrocketed my chance of getting monetized quickly and make more money. So you definitely don't want to miss it. So there's about 6 requirements here that YouTube has, but the 2 that we're going to focus on mainly are the 4,000 public watch hours within 12 months and the 1,000 subscribers. So 1,000 subscribers is pretty self-explanatory. You need at least 1,000 subscribers or more, and the public watch hours is what chokes up a lot of people. Basically, you need to have a total of 4,000 watch hours over a 12-month span, okay? So I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can quickly get people to your channel, subscribe, and also watch your content to build up the public watch hours as soon as possible. Okay, so one of my favorite techniques by far is sending viral traffic using platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram to my YouTube videos. So there's a couple of techniques that you can do, but I've been doing this technique for a couple of months now and it's worked really well. And one of the best ways to actually take advantage of these platforms is by showing the best part of your videos and showing like a snippet or so and then posting it on these platforms and telling people to check out your YouTube video to watch the full video or the full guide. And you want to make sure you're showing the best part of your video because this is what's going to grab people's attention and then they're going to be more interested to click on your video. So you don't want to just organically use YouTube to grow your following because it's just going to take a lot longer. You want to start making separate pages to start sending viral traffic, and I'm going to show you some techniques that I personally use. So even though I don't have a lot of YouTube subscribers, I actually grew a lot of followers on social media, including my TikTok page here. I have about 150,000 followers on my TikTok, and a lot of it is just me posting educational content. And this video right here and a few others like this is a great technique of what I'm trying to explain to you. So if we actually click on this video right here, I'm basically in the video talking about how a lot of people complain that they can't make money online, but I'm literally showing them how to do it for free on my YouTube channel. And in the end of this video, I actually show, as you can see here, my YouTube channel, my name and everything. And I tell people this video right here is literally me showing you how to build your own online business. And that's going to generate a lot of views, as you can see, over 50,000 views. And from those 50,000 views, I would say about 2,000 to 3,000 or even 4,000 people actually clicked on the video and watched. So that's actually a pretty good conversion rate if you ask me, and a couple of those people even subscribe. So you want to use this technique to kind of strategize your growth on YouTube and monetize quickly because these platforms are where you can get a lot of viral traffic being sent over to your channel. So a software that makes this a lot easier for you right here is Kamua. Basically, you're actually able to cut down your YouTube videos and make them in video format like we can see here. So if you're doing like video editing on like soccer or basketball or sports or gaming or anything like that, and you want to proportionally cut down your YouTube video to fit perfectly on a phone size, this perfect app right here does that all for you. And it also adds captioning for your videos. So this is actually a really good software to use. You can actually sign up for free, and then they have different plans that range anywhere from a couple of dollars. And as you can see right here by the video examples, it does it for video games, it does this for all types of clips. So this is perfect for people that are using motivational content, video gaming content, and they want to slice down their videos and give people a highlight of that video on, like, let's say TikTok or Instagram Reels. And at the end you can have a call to action like check out my YouTube video for more. All right guys, so the second thing that you absolutely need to be doing to grow quickly and get monetized as soon as possible on YouTube is using SEO marketing. In other words, search engine optimization. Basically, this just means the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. So basically, if you make content on how to grow quickly on Instagram, if you use SEO marketing, when someone types in how to grow quickly on Instagram, your video are more likely to pull up And that is a technique that I've personally been doing. And I'm gonna show you a software that makes this super easy for you, so you know exactly what to write in your title, what to write in your description, and what to add in your tags. So you're way more likely to be pulled up when someone types in a specific thing. So the software that I personally use to help me with my SEO marketing is TubeBuddy. They have a couple plans, but you can start off for 100% free. And it's gonna show you exactly how to improve your titles and your descriptions, so you're more likely to be ranked organically on YouTube. So I have the pro version, so I have a little bit more features that I personally love. And one of the biggest features that I love, so let's take a look actually at my YouTube channel, Financially Free Alex. Go to my videos and let's take a look at this video right here that went pretty viral here. This video is just me quickly explaining how I grew 10,000 followers on Instagram and how you can do the same. So if I want to be ranked up for this type of video, we can actually take a look on the right hand side of the screen, and TubeBuddy is literally telling me that my SEO score is 95. So that means it's pretty good. That means the chances of this video being ranked organically are pretty great. And they go over different techniques. So include your target keyword in your title, include 80% of your target keyword in the title. So this is just a list of the things that they're looking for to help you improve your SEO scores. So if I, let's say, take the title of this video, copy it, and let's go into an incognito tab just to wipe out any history. That way my video doesn't automatically rank. Let's just type it into YouTube here and see where my video lies. We can see with the exact title that I copy and paste, my video is #1. But let's say we want to take off 2021 here, right, and have a more broader search. We can see that my video is still within the top 10 right here in videos searched for this. And that's what SEO means. So if you want your videos to be organically searched and being found on YouTube, it's important that you improve your SEO score. So TubeBuddy, they have a pro plan that costs a little bit of money, but the free plan also works pretty well as well. So I definitely suggest you work on your SEO marketing. Another quick tip here is that you want to make sure in your descriptions you add enough SEO, so where basically when someone types in anything related to your title or your topic, they're more likely to see your video pull up here. So we can see that I put a little bit of a longer description, and I try to use keywords that can help rank my videos. So viral content on Instagram, how to grow 10,000 followers. You want to just put keywords in your description as well to rank your videos. So congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. And because of that, I'm going to give you guys a bonus tip to help increase your watch hours and ultimately monetize as quickly as possible. And that's incentivizing people to watch to the end. So like I did in this video, I gave you a reason to stay to the end so I can give you a bonus tip or guide. And this is a technique I've been doing on the last couple of my videos here. And you want to either provide an additional fact or tip, you want to give out a free resource, or give someone a reason to watch your whole entire video. That way they feel rewarded for staying into the end, because honestly, the average watch hour or the watch time on videos go down as the video goes on and on and on. So it's very important that you give people a good reason to stay to the end. So I hope this bonus tip left you with some more value and information, and I want you guys to use this exact technique so that way you can get monetized as quickly as possible. I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. If I left you with any information or value, definitely hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys all next time. Take care.